National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:45 a.m. At 8:03 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waterman, or near Shibona, moving east at 60 miles per hour. A personal weather station gusted to 56 miles per hour with these storms. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, DeKalb, Plainfield, St. Charles, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Canton Hills, Plano, Sandwich, Shibona, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Elburn, Cortland, Wayne, Hinckley, Silmanock, Waterman, Maple Park, and Paw Paw. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.